Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the earnings conference call for H1 FY26 of Virtual Galaxy Infotech Limited, that is VGIL. Virtual Galaxy Infotech Limited, founded in 1997 and headquartered in Nagpur by two visionary first-generation technocrats, is a next-generation technology powerhouse delivering a comprehensive suite of hybrid SaaS products, AI-driven platforms, cloud-native enterprise solutions across banking, BFSI, FinTech, ERP, cybersecurity, and e-governance domains. With a robust product ecosystem, including the eBanker core banking solution, BPay Unified Digital Payments Platform, IBS ERP Suite, Cyber Sentinel, SIM and Security Operations, Digital Identity Verification, conversational AI platforms such as Virtual Vani, and advanced e-governance solutions like e-Autopsy and e-APMC, VGIL empowers institutions to modernize operations, enhance compliance, and scale securely. Its cloud-ready architectures, API-led integrations, AI/ML automation, advanced analytics, and real-time digital transaction capabilities position VGIL as a leading innovator building future-ready digital infrastructure for banks, governments, and enterprises. Let us begin with the introduction of the management team. One moment, please. VGIL is guided by two highly accomplished technocrats, Mr. Avinash Shende, Chairman, Executive Director and CFO, and Mr. Sachin Pandey, Managing Director and CTO, each bringing over 3 decades of deep domain expertise in banking technology, enterprise systems, and digital transformation. Both leaders hold a BE in computer technology and an MBA in information technology, complemented by the prestigious postgraduate certificate program in senior management from IIM Nagpur. Their strong academic foundation, combined with hands-on experience in architecting scalable platforms, managing large technology teams, and driving long-term product innovation, forms the strategic backbone of VGIL's sustained growth and global expansion. Their vision, disciplined governance approach, and commitment to building future-ready AI and cloud-led solutions continue to position VGIL as a trusted and resilient technology partner for the BFSI, FinTech, e-governance, and enterprise sectors. We have with us today Mr. Avinash Shende, Promoter, Chairman and Executive Director and CFO. Mr. Shende oversees operations and finances at Virtual Galaxy Infotech. At this moment, all participants are in the listen-only mode. Later, we will conduct a question and answer session. At that time, you may click on the Q&A tab to ask a live question. Please note that this conference is being recorded. I would now like to request Mr. Avinash Shende, Promoter, Chairman and Executive Director and CFO, to give his opening remarks. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for joining the Virtual Galaxy Infotech Limited's H1 2020 earnings conference call. I extend a warm welcome to all our shareholders, analysts, institutional participants, and prospective investors who have joined us today. Your presence and continued support inspire us to keep rising our standards of performance, innovation, and transparency. VGIL, founded in 1997 and headquartered in Nagpur, has grown into a next-generation technology enterprise, delivering hybrid SaaS platform, AI-driven solutions, and cloud-native products across banking, BFSI, FinTech, ERP, cybersecurity, government tech, and e-governance domains. Our enhanced product ecosystem, which includes eBanker, eLOS, eLMS, cybersecurity, IBS ERP, digital identity verification platforms, Audit Flux, FinFlow, TransactCore, conversational AI, named as Virtual Vani, and government platforms such as e-Autopsy and e-APMC support financial institutions, government departments, and enterprises in in driving digital transformation and operating securely at a scale. Let me now take you through our performance for the first half of 2026, along with our financial progress compared with the previous periods. For easy, all figures are expressed in rupees crores for the clarity. For the period ended 30 September 2025, we have recorded a revenue from operations of 86.13 crores, representing a strong growth compared to revenue levels of September 2024, which were 71.61 crores, reflecting 20.27% year-on-year growth. The growth has been driven by the consistent traction in our CBS implementation across cooperative banks, rising SaaS adoption, and increased export, particularly from the new markets. For the full year ended 31st March 2025, we delivered outstanding revenue from operations of 120.14 crores, nearly doubling the previous year's revenue base, demonstrating a scalability of our product-led model. Our profitability profile continues to be exceptionally strong. For H1 2026, we have reported EBITDA of 38.82 crores compared to 30.880 crores in September 2024, representing 26.04% growth and maintaining a healthy EBITDA margin of 45.07%. On the bottom line, our PAT for the reporting period stood at 22.02 crores compared to 19.13 crores in September 2024, delivering 15.11% year-on-year growth. For the full year ended 31st March 2025, PAT was 32.12 crores with an EBITDA of 55.55 crores, reflecting the durable strength of our business model. Our margins for H1 2026 remains robust, with the PAT margin at 25.57% and return on ratios ROE at 15.18% and ROCE at 16.34%, continue to reaffirm our capital efficiency. One of the most notable achievements this year has been the significant expansion of our network. Shareholders' fund increased from 80.21 crores in September 2024.
I'm sorry to interrupt, sir. Sir, can you share the PowerPoint presentation as well?
No, I will share within 2-3 minutes.
All right, sir. Okay, go ahead, please.
Okay. So I was saying that the most notable achievement, which was that the significant expansion of the network. Shareholder funds has been increased from 80.21 crores in September 2024 to 196.87 crores in September 2025, making an impressive 145.44% growth in the shareholders' wealth in just 12 months, supported by a strong profitability and our successful IPO transition to NSE emerged in May 2025. This reflects not only business strength but also investors' confidence in our long-term vision. Our revenue diversification also remains strong. For the half year, domestic sales contributed 76.25 crores, which is 88.53%, while export contributed 9.88 crores, which is 11.47%, indicating accelerated international expansion with the traction in UAE, Tanzania and Malawi. Let me also share some important corporate governance developments approved by the board. In significant steps towards enhancing transparency, the board has voluntarily adopted quarterly financial reporting. Although SME-listed entities are required to report only half-yearly, this is a forward-looking measure that aligns us with the transparent governance practices. The board also adopted a dividend distribution policy, reinforcing our principles of disciplined capital allocation and equitable shareholders' rewards, and has further declared a 10% interim dividend, that is rupees 1 per equity share of face value rupees 10 for H1 2026. The dividend declaration reflects our strong financial performance and commitment to shareholders' value. Additionally, the board approved the engagement of Fortuna Public Relations Private Limited as our public relations and investor relations media support service agency, ensuring better transparency and communication with all stakeholders. The board also approved purchase of office in Pune. As we look ahead, our strategic focus remains firmly aligned with the expanding our presence across India, Africa and GCC region, accelerating innovation in AI, cloud native systems, cybersecurity, data analytics and strengthening our hybrid SaaS revenue base. We will continue to prioritize scalable product development, robust governance, strong operating discipline and long-term value creation for our shareholders. To sum up, VGL has delivered a strong and broad-based performance in H1 FY2025-26, supported by a healthy growth, resilient margins, expanding balance sheet strength, strategic investment, and improved governance standards. We are confident that our portfolio, combined with the disciplined execution and strong demand visibility, position us for the accelerated growth in the second half of 2026 and beyond. Thank you for your time, trust and confidence and continued support. Now we'll run through a presentation of Virtual Galaxy Infotech Limited. So, Virtual Galaxy is established in 1997 by myself and Sachin Pandey. We were the first generation entrepreneur. Then we have listing in May 2025. We have innovative solutions like VPay, which is comprehensive digital payment platform, along with cybersecurity, conversational AI and secure AI, which is more focused on AI first company. We have core offerings like e-governance solutions, government clients in various states, while specializing in banking, fintech and ERP sectors, serving a diverse portfolio into clients. With respect to financial growth, in 2024-2025, the revenue reaching to 120 crores, which is just double the previous year's revenue, and now the revenue at 86.13 crores for this half year. We have expanded our reach within the 20 states of India, Africa and Asia Pacific and GCC. At present, we have a team of 400 employees. VGL continues to strengthening its innovation and execution capabilities by consistently adding technical professionals and talented professionals. This is some snapshots of our IPO listing on NSE Emerge. This is a clear-cut vision that to empower business globally with the innovative, scalable and secured IT solutions, transforming the way they operate and driving the digital experience for a smarter, more connected future. Our mission is to deliver cutting-edge IT solutions that drive operational efficiency, enhance customer experience and foster business growth. We are committed to providing reliable, tailored technology services that empower organizations to thrive in a fast evolving digital landscape, while ensuring the highest level of quality, security and customer satisfaction. Our values are innovation at the core. We are an innovative company. We focus more on our R&D, integrity and trust. So our clients are always with us. Whenever they come, they never turn up because we provide them integrity, trust and a good quality service. Our products are customer centric, easy to understand, and we understand the customer's need and then customize our products accordingly the customer's need. Our team is very collaborative and believe in the teamwork. Company is very sensitive about social responsibility and adaptability. This is about myself and Sachin Pandey. We both are the co-founders. Sachin and myself are classmates, and after engineering we started this company in 1997. We have around 30 plus of years experience in IT domain with expertise. Myself and Sachin both are BE Computer, then MBA, and now any Senior Management Certificate program from IIM Nagpur as well, along with the all experience with the Virtual Galaxy only. This is our very diversified and professional board where Bhanupriya Thakur, she is company secretary and more than having 10 years experience and working with the Nagpur Smart City corporations and various clients. Mr. Ayush is hold LLB degree and he works at the High Court of Maharashtra and Goa. Then Mr. Jaideep Pawar, who is seasoned professional with over 25 years experience in sales, business development and strategic growth within the BFSI sector. He holds bachelor degree in engineering from Pune University and also did his management from the Harvard Business School. Then we have non-executive director, Mr. Oberoi, who is experienced regional leader and demonstrated experience in banking industry across multiple roles like CFO, CAO, and head of transaction banking across the Bank of America, Standard Chartered Bank, Fidelity Investment, and Yes Bank. The recent role have been the COO at head of transaction banking at Yes Bank. He is by profession, he is a chartered accountant and member of Institute of Chartered Accountants in India since 1990. This is very diversified and qualified board which we have. They always guide us for the progress of the company. This is our middle management team where Anjali, she looks after for all company secretarial matters and compliances matter. Mr. Harshajit Deshmukh, he looks after all domestic business. Mr. Bharat Zade, who is Director Operations and Digital Transformation Business. Mr. Ninad Mehral, who is Director International Business, looking after all international business for the Virtual Galaxy. Mr. Allah Hadas, Director Banking Domain, he is a seasoned banker and has a deep knowledge in banking industry. Mr. Sachin Borgate is Director Technical, he has around 20 years of experience in technology. Mr. Satish Kukre, Principal Database Architect, he is also having similar kind of experience. Mr. Pankaj Muneja, Senior Vice President Business Development, Domestic and International both. Mr. Anil Katole, Senior Vice President Products, he look after the various products within the organization. These are some recent awards which we received, like Asia Leadership Award, and then Global FinTech Award, Best Regulatory Reporting Core Banking Solution Award, then a Leader in Cybersecurity Innovation for BFSI Sector, Tech Pioneer in Conversational Banking, Best Integrated ERP Solution for Sugar Industry, Leading IT Solution Provider for the Year, Best in Class RegTech Solutions, Best Innovation in Core Banking Solutions, Outstanding Achievement in Financial Technology Advancement, then Information Technology and Artificial Intelligence. Recently we got few days back at Kazakhstan, Almaty. These are few awards which we received recently, which shows that our product and shows our capability that how we are going further. These are some of the certifications which requires quality for maintaining the quality and all these things, like ISO 27, ISO 9000, ISO 23000 and CMM level, etc. So why Virtual Galaxy is basically domain expertise and strong management team. Myself and Sachin, we both bring more than 60 years of experience together in technology, artificial intelligence, machine learning, software development, system management, networking, database and other things. Our team, a very dedicated team of 400 plus professionals, supports various projects, combining the experience with the agility and guided professional execution with the exceptional vision and dedication. Our products are globally scalable, so we can pitch the product over the globe easily. Right now we are focusing on Africa and GCC region and we have a presence in Tanzania, Malawi, Ethiopia and the UAE as well. So we are looking at that region because Africa is a very virgin market where we have a lot of opportunities and also margins are high while we are doing the business for export. This is a very short financial profile. More than 28 years of business, more than 180 plus clients, 400 plus employees, 13 plus solutions. Virtual Galaxy has more than 13 plus product pool, which has own IPs and all these things, because Virtual Galaxy is a product based company. These are the which already I have run through when I was speaking. So these are some snapshots of Virtual Galaxy's overseas banking project. More than 13 overseas banking project has been done. Now 5 World Bank projects we have done. We have 2 state cooperative banks, 70 plus urban cooperative bank, 11 district central cooperative bank as a client, 50 plus ERP project for various industries including sugar and solvents, and 15 plus government projects for mainly for the government of Maharashtra, and we are trying to now expand into various states with respect to government projects as well. These are some empanelments through which we are getting the order where lack of qualification and other eligibility criteria, we take the help of all these PSUs to build into the system and get the orders with the help of them. These are the technology partners. Which technology we use, like Oracle as a backend, Microsoft other things, Red Hat as an operating system, the cloud partners like Yota, AWS, NetMatching and etc. Hardware like networking products, Cisco, Lenovo, Hewlett Packard and Fortinet for firewalls and switches etc. We have entire technology which has been present in our company. We have all the gamut of technology which the latest we can speak like scripting languages, Python and other we can say AI related requirement has been there, including all from legacy to the new technology. This is a latest product pool which we have, like eBanker, which is a core banking solution, eLOS, which is loan origination system, VPay, payment solution platform, IBS is the ERP solution, Cyber Sentinel is a cyber security product, digital identity verification platform, e-autopsy for the government department where autopsy happens, then eAPMC is an agriculture trading platform which has been installed in various APMCs in Maharashtra, VGST, then we have AI-based surveillance system, CRM, AI-based conversational AI, that is Virtual Vani, then for banking, Audit Plus, FinFlow and TransactFlow. These are the various products which we have, which strengthen our company's product portfolio, and we can cater all the requirement of the client with respect to BFSI, government and other industries. This is a typical geographic presence. Within the India, we have presence in 20 states of India along with Eastern Africa and now with the UAE. These are our major clients like World Bank project, Reserve Bank of Malawi is our client, Smart is a World Bank project, NACP is a World Bank project. International clients like Dar es Salaam Commercial Bank, Reserve Bank of Malawi, then Malawi Agriculture and Industrial Corporation. These are some snapshot of our clients. Those are with us since long period. The eBanker. Now let's begin with some short introduction of eBanker. We have 180 plus core banking clients, 3,000 plus branches were go live from now. 375 branches were live in last financial year. This is backed by 400 experienced professionals and consultants within our organization. More than 15 global and regional implementation partners and centers. These are the various module: general ledger, accounting, etc., for the core banking solution. We have a deep integration of APIs within our software, so that our product is 100% ready for African market with all the connectivity, all the API vendors like mobile, telecom, etc., money. All APIs has been integrated within our system, and product is fully ready for African market as well as GCC market. This is a list of various APIs which we have integrated within India as well for delivering a cutting-edge solutions along with the core banking solution. We have integrated. Yes. We have a customer relationship management module as well, which is been used by various banks. We have a loan originating system, which is digital lending. This is a typical lending flow. Digital platform for financial inclusion. We have a procurement management system. Also integrated within the system, which can be sold either individually or along with the core banking solution. AI-based video KYC we have. Digital identity verification platform. We have now recently we have developed a conversational AI, that is virtual Vani, which does the various use cases like and 360-degree conversational platform, natural language processing, real-time integration with the existing billing system and payment gateways. Comprehensive analytics dashboard also has been provided. This is a typical flow where multiple LLMs can be integrated within the system along with the legacy system, and system does the inbound and outbound does the reply for inbound call as well as do the outbound call for various collections and all these things. Like bank wants to send reminders to its client, the AI can do. All L1 and L2 job of a call center can be replaced with this conversational AI, and we are proposing this solution to various government departments as well, where the collection has been happened like Maharashtra Traffic Police, then various municipal corporations where tax collection becomes an issue and lot of money has been held up by the citizens. So we are providing such solution to various government departments, corporations, banks, etc., etc. We have various AI-based data analytics modules available within our products and individually that can be also provided to the clients, like for customer insights, fraud detection, credit scoring, operational efficiency, compliances, product analysis, forecasting, feedback analysis, and real-time decision making as well. This which we have discussed with WePay, which has been a complete digital payment solution along with all POS, QR solutions, sound boxes, etc., etc. This is a typical features. Then we have a cyber security solution as well, SAM software available with us, which we sell to various banking solution, banking customers and government customers as well. This is typical flow of Cyber Sentinel. Then recently we have developed the AI-based surveillance system as well, which is being again it is in the development stage, and now we are pitching with the various government departments, which does the basically device agnostic surveillance system. Any video feed can be analyzed with respect to various use cases. We are around integrating 500 different use cases within this ecosystem like face detection, various 500 numerous collections are there, cases are there, and real time alerts along with the remediation and automated calling, etc. So we have integrated within this conversational AI also cyber security and this you can say surveillance system, which will give a 360-degree view to the customer. This is our ERP solution, which has been developed for sugar industry, solvents industry, and various other industries as well, which has a very good traction now. This is an eAPMC is a digital mandi transformation project. Government now willing to privatize some big markets like and they have given them a national market status. So a lot of technology integration is happening on there. So we are ready with that technology and providing solutions to various government agriculture markets and other things. We have e-autopsy software, which is at the postmortem department of all government medical colleges and hospitals. So we are discussing with various state government to implement this solution within their states for statewide implementation along with forensic lab and all this integration along with that. So these are the some features. We have our own captive data center to cater our existing customers and upcoming customers. So we are continuously increasing the capacity of our data center, captive data center, to host more and more clients as well. Thank you everyone. This was a brief presentation of Virtual Galaxy Infotech Limited. Now we are good to go with all your queries and question and answers. I am happy to answer all your questions. So we'll go one by one for the question. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We will now begin the question and answer session. To ask a question, please click on the Q&A tab on the panel and click on Raise Hand button. The operator will announce your name when it is your turn to ask a question. Please accept the prompt on your screen and unmute your microphone while proceeding with your question. Ladies and gentlemen, we will wait for a moment while the question queue assembles. We'll take our first question from Digant Bum from SVIP Capital. Please go ahead.
Hello, sir. Thank you for the opportunity. Am I audible?
Yes, please.
So firstly, sir, congratulations for the great set of numbers. Really great to see such nice numbers coming from the company. Just had a couple of questions on numbers itself. We've done 86 crores this half, the first half of FY26, 71 odd crores in the first half of FY25. Yes. While we ended FY25 with 120 crores, so which was about another 49 crores in the second half. So is it a general trend that the second half is lesser revenue compared to the first half?
No, it is not like that. It all depends because see, we are a product-based company and our teams is always doing the various projects. So it depends what happens. This second half we are very positive about the figures and will definitely do more business than the H1 of this year.
Oh, sir, that is really good to know. That's amazing to know. The second thing was regarding the margins from 71 crores in the first half FY25 to 49 crores in second half and to now 86 crores. Significant jumps in revenues, but with revenues for a company like us, I presume that the margins should also go up quite significantly. Which don't seem to be the case. It's quite stagnant, the margins. Do we see the margins at the same levels or?
No, the margin around we are.
Sorry, your voice is not audible.
Now it is audible?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So we are operating on very attractive margin, which is 25.57% is the margin which we are earning, which is a very significant margin with respect to our competitors as well. So this half year we have a 25.57% PAT margin, which is really good. I don't find the margin will be lesser than this or more than this. It is in the range of 25%.
No, so there's no doubt about the margin being really good. No doubt about that. Just that at 48 crores also we were at around 25-26%. Even at 86 crores we were at the same levels.
करेक्ट ना मार्जिन सी मार्जिन अपने आप ऐसे नहीं बढ़ेगी ना मार्जिन में ऐसा मार्जिन बढ़ाते बढ़ाते 100% मार्जिन पे थोड़ी ना जा सकते भाई देयर आर एक्सपेंसेस और हम यही कह रहे हैं कि हमारा जो मार्जिन है दैट इज अराउंड 25%.
Okay, even with higher economies of scale, the costs don't go down; they remain the same.
ऐसा है कि कभी हमको अगर बहुत बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट है तो हो सकता है कि हम थोड़ा मार्जिन पे थोड़ा सा कुछ ये भी हो सकता है तो छोटे प्रोजेक्ट्स है वहां पे मार्जिन बड़ी मिल सकती है. इट डिपेंड्स बिजनेस इज अ डायनामिक बेसिकली सो वी कैन नॉट से लाइक दैट बट until and unless we are not satisfied with the margin we will not go enter into the projects. That's what our funda is.
Okay, understood, sir. And I think thank you so much. I mean, your confidence in giving better numbers in H2 compared to H1 would be a great booster.
Yes, definitely. We are very confident about that. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. We'll take our next question from Garvita Jain from Seven Island PMS. Please go ahead.
Hello. Hi. Good afternoon, sir. I have a lot of questions. I'll start one by one. First of all, if you could give me a detailed idea about e-banker market size and the opportunity size which we are seeing, and how do we compete in this product segment with bigger companies like Infosys and others who are already predominant in the market?
Yes. So, see, Infosys operating in a different market segment. We are operating in a different market segment. But I will tell one of the fantastic things that in two of the clients we have replaced the Infosys Finacle as well. So we are entering into their market segment and trying to enter into that. But as far as India is concerned, our market is around in and around cooperative banks. At present, around 1,545 urban banks are there, 330 district central cooperative banks, 30 state cooperative banks, around 1 lakh cooperative societies, out of which around 10-15,000 are good societies where we can pitch our product. Then we have a very good market for NBFCs as well and a fintech as well. So it's a huge market. I cannot say the figure of total available market, but we have a very good market where the number of clients are available where we can pitch this product, and our product is very and highly suitable for such kind of clients where they want integrated services along with all the product gamut like core banking solution, internet banking, mobile banking, loan origination system, loan management system, digital payment ecosystem, verification platform, cyber security. So we have an entire gamut which we can give to the customer, and we are a single point solution provider for them where all the services will be catered from our company, and the bank with the laser technology, know-how, laser manpower, they can definitely prefer us. In India as well as Africa also we are pitching the same things. So market is very big and we don't find the Infosys or bigger companies to threat to us, whereas they find us threat for them.
So I wanted, got your point, sir. And also I wanted to understand more on the financials, sir. So we have done 86 crores of sales with 22 crores approximately of PAT. So I wanted to understand, as you are also guiding for H2 to be better than H1, will we be able to cross 200 crores of sales guidance as you have given in the previous call?
So I say we are always trying what we have said and what we have set for, target set for. always we are positive about that, and we are confident about that also, that we will definitely achieve the figures which we are expecting.
Okay. For FY26, right? And so, if you could please tell me about, out of the 86 crore of revenue which we have received in H1, how much is the revenue, what proportion of the revenue is from the recurring clients or a recurring revenue, if you could tell me?
One.
And how many new clients we have added in H1?
The recurring revenue is 36.26 crores, which is mentioned as a SaaS revenue, basically software as a service, which is around 42% of the total sale.
42% of total. And so, how many new clients we have added this half year?
Around 10 to 15 clients we have added for this financial half year.
Okay. And they are majorly in which segment? All are in mostly in e-banker or the other segments also?
See, we have basically BFSI is contributing 91% approximately.
91% BFSI. Okay. Okay. And this is for the new clients, right?
Yes.
Okay. And sir, also I wanted to ask you about the dividend policy. Thank you to you that you have announced the interim dividend and provided. So what is our dividend policy, what we have planned?
So dividend basically whenever, it's simple that we want to share whatever we have earned with our shareholders and the value. But it depends, if the company required to retain the profit in the company for the growth of the company, then definitely company will retain that, and whatever is the extra remain will definitely distributed among the shareholders, so that shareholders also make the money. And we are always working for the creating the wealth for our shareholders.
Right. So is there any dividend policy you have worked out upon?
That has been already uploaded on the website and exchange as well.
Okay.
Go through it, because it's a long policy, so we cannot discuss about that.
Alright, sir. Sir, if you could give me some guidance on the order book, since we have 103 crores of order book currently as per official notice. So, how is the pipeline we are looking at in H2?
We are looking at around double the pipeline that which we have.
So, approximately 200 crores of order book we are expecting in H2, right?
You can say.
Okay. And so, what other government agencies where we are participating for government IT work, for large government orders?
Yes, various agencies, various departments are coming up with the digital transformation projects as well as AI-based projects. So we are bidding and trying to bid with them and get some big orders of a good size. We are already discussing and filling out the tenders for those also.
Okay, so traffic signal one is one I am aware of. So if you could categorize what type of government orders you are taking up, large orders, government agencies that you are talking about.
AI-based solutions which like conversational AI, inform, then surveillance system is there, then various digital transformation projects are there. The government is coming up with the help of AI. We are more focusing on AI so that better things can be carved out of it.
Okay. And so we would be keen to visit your Nagpur facility. So would it be possible, and when is it possible?
Can you repeat the question, please?
Sir, I'm saying that we at Seven Islands PMS, along with our fund manager, we are keen to visit your Nagpur facility.
Yes, you are always welcome. Come down to Nagpur. You are always welcome, and we are happy to host you as well. Come at any time with the prior appointment from Anjali Madam, and then definitely come. We are very happy to see you at Nagpur.
Sure,
And
sir.
also,
Sure.
I'm very happy to show all our facility within the Mehan Facility Development Center.
Sure, sir. Thank you so much. Those were my questions, and I'll call back. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you. Before we take the next question, would like to remind participants to ask a question, please click on the Q&A tab on the panel and click on Raise Hand button. We'll take the next question from Gaurav Sethi from V2 Capital. Gaurav?
Yep. Hello, sir.
Yeah. Gaurav,
First
you
of
have
all,
posted some text questions as well. If you can, ask those as well. Thank you.
sure. So some of them have been answered, so I'll ask them. So first of all, congrats for the good set of numbers, sir. So my first question is, so also was regarding the demand outlook, and that has been answered. So I'll ask the other question, which is around the growth you see among your various product and services. Like currently, I know that core banking is the major source of revenue. So in the future, like 2 to 3 years down the line, where do you see your different product and services grow?
So definitely, as we have added new products, so they get the traction and the business from those products is also going to be increased. So definitely, business will definitely increase, but the percentage by share can be shared among the various products as well. So it is obvious that some share from the other products is also being visible within 2-3 years.
Sure. Okay. So my second question is on the balance sheet. So there is a 23 crore line item related to the long-term loans and advances.
Yes.
And also there is a 17 crore related to the tax provision. So can you elaborate what are those for?
So 23 crores is used for the upgradation, enhancement of the existing data center facility to cater various new clients and upcoming clients. For that, the bank loan has been obtained, and the capacity of our existing infrastructure has been increased to cater various upcoming clients. That has been there.
Okay, and the tax provision which is related to the 17 crore, the tax provision liability.
This year. It is this year liability.
Okay. All right. Okay. So also the 200 crore order book which you have just mentioned about, and which you expect in S2.
I haven't said the figure here. I haven't said. As a percentage wise, we can definitely look at. So don't put us into figures, all these things. So I am saying that H2 will be definitely better than H1, and we are setting the higher targets for us, and we are trying to achieve that. That's what I am saying. I am not committing any figure or anything. So don't put figures like that. But definitely we are achieving the better figure which are in your mind.
Sure. So my bad. So I'll reframe that question. So the order book which you are expecting in S2. So does it include private from the private players as well?
We generally deal with the corporate players, corporate entities where money is always safe. We undertake only those projects where we find that definitely we are going to get the money. Either it may get delayed, but it will not be vanished basically. And within the history of 25 years of the company, none of the receivables has been, you can say, as a bad debt. So we receive whatever it is. And we are very choosy while choosing the projects.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. We'll take the next question from Deepak Poddar from Sapphire Capital. Please go ahead. Deepak
Hello.
Poddar.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay. Thank you very much for this opportunity, sir, and many congratulations for good set of numbers. So just wanted to understand first up this pipeline that you're talking about. I mean,
Sorry,
Currently we have,
can you please repeat the question?
yes, I mean, currently we have got 100 crores of order book, right? So any execution timeline we have for that?
See, these orders are, some orders are for 5 years, some orders for 1 year, some orders for, and that orders are keep coming. So definitely, depending upon the order and the contract, they get executed. Most of them executed within this financial year, and then definitely new orders will be added into that.
Okay, so most of this majority of would be executed within this FY26 itself, right?
Around 50% of them are executed within this year.
Okay. About 50% of it is to be executed within this year. And in terms of pipeline, I mean, can you throw some light on what sort of areas we are bidding into? Because we got some recent contracts from Maharashtra as well. That is more from an integration point of view and something on those lines, right? And system integrator. So can you throw some more light? What are the areas where we have built and where we are expecting this pipeline of orders that we spoke about? Yeah.
Definitely, our focus area is more BFSI is more because we are very strong into the BFSI segment, and also we are trying for various governments where AI technologies are required.
Okay.
These are our two priorities.
Okay. And to get this, I mean, double the pipeline you mentioned, right? I mean, that's what we expect to. So how much bidding we would have done? I mean, any figure on the bidding side? I mean, we would have done bidding for 500 crores, 600 crores, something on those lines.
No, see, our sales team is doing that. So we are doing various projects. We are bidding for various projects. It doesn't mean that we bidded, we get the project. So definitely we are getting the orders more to the tune of what you are saying with the current bidding portfolio.
Okay. So I mean, would it be right to say that given to achieve this 200 crores, you'll have to do an execution of, let's say, 110, 115 crores in the second half. So ideally, that's the order book that you have right now, around 105 crores. And given the double the pipeline, we can.
Again, I'm saying, I am not quoted any figure. So we are trying to achieve the more business in the next half of this year. So don't put any figures into the like that 200 crores or 10. So we are definitely trying to achieve what we have achieved more than that. Okay. The order book which is around 105 crores has been already been uploaded to the exchange. So it's in public domain. But I can't commit like that this figure will be achieved and this figure will not be achieved. So I always say that we will be definitely doing a good business in the next half with the same margin. That I can say. I cannot commit any figures like that.
A fair point, sir, but the reason I asked 200 because I think in the previous power present you did say that we are confident of achieving 200 crores revenue.
I already previously answered also that we are definitely confident that we will be achieving whatever we are saying, and whatever target we have set for our company, definitely that will be achieved. I am 200% confident about the achievement of the target which has been set for the year.
Great. And just one last thing from my side about anything on next year, FY27. What sort of growth we might be targeting for FY27?
Similar kind of growth we are looking for the next 2-3 years as well.
Similar growth?
Yes.
Okay. I think that's very helpful, sir. I would like to wish you all the very best. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, to ask a question, please click on the Q&A tab on the panel and click on Raise Hand button. The operator will announce your name when it is your turn to ask a question. Please accept the prompt on your screen and unmute your microphone while proceeding with your question. You may also post your text questions. Next question is from the line of Suyash Mantri from MV Trades and Investments LLP, Pune. Please go ahead.
Hello, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Suresh, please go
Thank,
ahead.
thank you, sir, for taking my question. And so my question was, in last call you had mentioned that you have like over a decade of experience with the customers, and there are many customers with you that have with you for over a decade. So I wanted to know about the like how the contract tenures are, like the renewal rates are, and price escalation structure of your projects are. So I can get the visibility of the recurring revenue stream of your company.
Yes, yes. Thank you. It's very good question. So, what I said previously as well, that we are trying to enter into the long-term contract with the customers. We typically try to sign a contract for 5 years and 7 years, and then again the renewal of the contracts has happened. And a lot of our customers are with us whenever they have come to us, and it is because of our good services, our team efforts, we are being able to achieve this fundamental thing that customers will retain with us. Our churn ratio is very, very less. It is less than 2% or again below that. So typical contract is 5 year to 7 year for a client, and then again it gets renewed with the margin. Again, we can say with additional revenue.
Okay. Sir, I had one more question that given the increased exposure to government and cooperative institutions, how are you are managing receivable days and payment delay risk, and what are the key regulatory or technology risks you are most focused on mitigating at this stage?
Can you repeat the question again?
Given the increasing exposure to government and cooperative institutions, how are you managing receivable days and payment delay risk, and what are the key regulatory or technological risk you are most focused on?
With respect to debtors, actually we are dealing into the very niche sector of banking, where all organizations are our customers. So only the procedural time which has been required to clear the payment is the only delay. Otherwise there is no delay in the payment, because they have some meetings and all these things. So you find that the debtor-day ratio has been increased, is improved as well. So our team is continuously discussion with the client. We try to focus all the problems which they have. So getting the payment is never the problem for us, and not a single payment has been retained or kept by the bank or goes into the bad debt. So we are very focused on the receivables which we have. So, and try to maintain the days as low as possible.
Okay. So I have another question. Like you are strong in cooperative banking and in Maharashtra. So now expanding to more Indian states and African markets. So for the next 3 to 5 years, how do you see revenue mix between Maharashtra and rest of India, and between domestic and export clients?
Okay. So see, Maharashtra is being a major cooperative business state, because out of 1,545 banks, urban cooperative and other banks, around 600 banks are in Maharashtra. Then there are banks in Gujarat and Karnataka. This is the spread of cooperative ecosystem. But now other states are also coming with the various cooperatives within their states. So, for example, we have a Mizoram state where only 2 banks are there, one state cooperative bank and another is the urban cooperative bank. So both banks are on our platform. Similar is the case with the Goa. So Goa State Cooperative Bank is with us, and 2 other cooperative banks are there. They are willing to come down to our platform, and very soon they will be on our platform. Definitely, we are since the Maharashtra is a bigger state, bigger cooperative penetration is there. So Maharashtra is definitely going to be there a main contributor within the country. As far as other countries are concerned, so we are concentrated on Malawi, then Malawi, then Tanzania, then Botswana, then Zimbabwe, the countries which are safe and where we'll definitely get the money out of that. We are trying to build a World Bank projects where money has been secure. We
Okay.
are not building any kind of projects where we can not confirm about the getting money from that projects.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have a last question. That between e-banker, ERP, e-governance, and SaaS revenue model, in next few years, what will be the primary growth driver? Will it be only BFSI or others will also contribute?
No, definitely other will also be contributed, but BFSI will remain more than 50%.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your detailed answers.
Thank you. Next question is from Gaurav Agrawal from 9-1 Capital. Please go ahead.
Hi sir, I hope I am audible.
Yes, please go ahead.
Yes, so congratulations sir on good results. Sir, specifically a couple of questions like a previous participant asked on the long-term loans and advances of 23 CR. You provided some explanation. I was not able to understand it fully. If you could please repeat what you said about the explanation on this 23 crore rupees of loans and advances.
Yes, sure. So see, to host the SaaS clients and all the clients, those are for the our ecosystem. The data center and cloud infrastructure is required. And as the client increases, that the infrastructure needs to be increased, and you can say increase or expand. So that purpose is there to increase the existing infrastructure to cater the existing client and upcoming client. That has been the 23 crores has been utilized.
But sir, why does it sit in the loans and advances? It should have been a part of your capex, right, or your opex? Because if you are spending that money on.
Sir, actually, it is the loan got sanctioned on 30th September 2025. So, on that day, the entry has been shown under the head loans advances for data center, and in this next half of this financial year, it is going to be in the head plant and machinery.
But sir, loans and advances, loans was sanctioned from a bank, right?
Yes, sir. So also if the loan which is sanctioned from the bank is shown under the loans and liability, and this is the advance given to the party vendor who is supplying us to data center to us.
Okay, so given the 23 crore advance to the vendor, so that is the explanation.
Yes.
Understood. So that will shift to your.
Yes, it will going to be shift towards a plant and machinery in this half financial year, next financial year.
Correct. Sir, another question was, good that you guys are giving a dividend and also, having a good dividend policy. Sir, on your cash flow statement, you have quite large items sitting in your capex, right? And for a product company, having a negative cash flow consistently is a big red flag, right? Obviously, they are giving dividends, they are paying taxes, so that part is addressed. But if you could provide us, for this 6 months, right? You have spent close to, if my numbers are correct, 13 crore rupees on intangible assets, right? And on your balance sheet, there are some 40 crore rupees of intangible assets or WIP are sitting, right? Intangible of 20 CR, WIP of 20 more CR. So 40 crore of intangibles are sitting in your balance sheet. So where exactly is this 40 crore being spent? What are the products we are developing? And what is the thought process of capitalizing it and not, putting it in the P&L?
So, sir, I will answer your question one by one. Basically, sir, there is as on the cash flow you have question. You can see that, sir, it's a temporary thing for this first half of the financial year, because most of the sales occurred in the last week of the 30th September. So there is no impact directly on the cash flow, because all these data are secured and will be timely get.
I'm referring to intangible assets. The capex
Yeah.
cash
Okay. I will get back to you, sir. On the intangible assets, sir, there is an addition of 13.21 in this first half of the financial year. Basically, sir, this has been towards the software under development. Includes applications such as Audit Plus, FinFlow, Transact Core, Virtual Vani AI. That the company is developing these projects on which we have made a capitalization, and these products will be get completed in the next half of this financial year, and we will transfer them to the software. So, sir, this is the policy that company adopted for what are the expenses that have been incurred on the development of the software is going to be capitalized for the better accountability and transparency, sir.
So, sir, do you have a breakup of this 13th year? How much is the employee expenses?
Yes, sir. It's around 60% is from the employee expenses, 60 close to 70%, and remaining from the we have given a subcontract for the faster development of this project. Because, sir, to get us develop whole software in house, it's in a short duration of time. It will get difficult. So we are using both the alternative for faster development and better result.
And sir, what is the visibility like in the next 6 months, the second half, or let's say in FY27? Will we continue to have these kind of large items in your intangible assets capex?
No, sir. It will get reduced because whatever the development we have to make, we are doing it. And as the product get developed, there are some amount of will be there, but not on a huge term. As you can see that right now there is a huge amount in the WIP in intangible. But as the software gets developed and capitalized, there will be no much of further development required. Only the basic things that modules updation is there. So it is going to be on a limited sector.
And sir, these software which I think 4 or 5 of them you mentioned. So I'm sure you have some kind of a visibility that you will get some revenue or some acceptance from these softwares, and that's why you're developing them. So any kind of revenue estimate you can give us for these 40 crore rupees of intangibles which are sitting? What kind of revenue these softwares can generate?
Whatever the development is going on, or what we have developed, the management is very much sure about getting the revenue from them. See, sir, as a software company, the product-based company, the revenue what we can anticipate right now, I cannot tell in numbers, but there will be a contribution from this software to a large number in terms of revenue, sir.
Definitely, these are the new technology and nuanced products. So definitely, they will contribute the good revenue to the top line of the company.
But so see, the reason why I am spending a lot of time on cash flows, a lot of new listed companies, SME basically, they are reporting good results. And if you see the ones which are not having, let's say, a very good cash flow or continue to have negative cash flows, we, on the other side as minority or outside of the company, we are not sure whether the numbers shown are genuine or not. We have announced dividend. That is a good thing, which is a very good step in this direction. But having so there are two things which we can definitely improve. One is having a good auditor. Current auditor, which we have, doesn't audit any other company, right? So that is the very, very clear and easiest thing you can do to increase the credibility of your financials which are reporting, right? And secondly, obviously, having a better and conservative accounting policies where you have lesser, capex and more of the P&L, so that whatever balance sheet and whatever P&L we are looking at, it is the right metric to look at. I can understand you are developing software, you are not getting the revenue, so there is a logic to capitalize them. But at the same time, sir, these kind of large items in FY24 also, there was large intangible 25 also, and now this first half also. So at some point we'll have to think about and have them in a better way.
Sir, no, sir, we understand whatever the concern you have regarding to addition. So, but by the end of this financial year or in the next financial year, this amount will be going to be on the lower side, sir. As the development has been already been took place and it's in the final stage. So there will not big amounts, or you can say that large amount of salary or even expenditure will be capitalized. We will be trying to get it direct debited to the P&L account as an expense as in the coming financial year or also in the next financial year, sir.
So that's one more explanation from my side. That's why we have adopted voluntarily the quarterly reporting to bring more transparency and confidence within you. So
I appreciate it greatly, sir. And also, sir, auditor part also, sir, if you could address, having a top big four auditor will really help us.
Rahul has explained you in that regard also. And apart from that, we are bringing more transparency and more clarity into the business and within the investors basically. So, because you said that you are outsiders, but we are trying to bring more clarity, more transparency through the reporting and all these things.
Right, sir. Thank you so much. And sir, the last question. I think you have a current order book of 103 CR. So, if you could just help me understand your project funnel, domestic as well as overseas, if you guys are willing to share.
See, we have at present we have 103 crores of order book, and we are trying to increase that. And we had bidded for various projects within the India as well as within the Africa. So it will definitely get the double in a short duration. Okay. That's what I can say right now. I can't commit any figures at present.
No worries, sir. No worries. Thank you so much, sir, and thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take our next question from Aditya Magar from Elios Financial Services. Please go ahead.
Hello. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, please.
Yes, congratulations, sir, for a good set of numbers. So my question is related to IPO capital utilization. So can you please give us some information about that utilization amount, along with the amount which is unutilized, and the detail on how the utilized portion has been used?
See, total around we have utilized 43.69 crores till date, and 37.65 crores is the funds which is to be yet to be utilized. Out of that, the headwise is there. Can I say the detailed things, or I will? This will be sufficient.
Sir, it will help us. Please go for the details.
So, at present, capital expenditure towards the setting up additional development facility, the amount raised was 6.3 crores. Now it has been not utilized. Repayment and prepayment of certain debts, 3 crores has been utilized. Investment in procuring GPU and server storage, 5.5 crores has been utilized. Expenditure for upgradation of existing product, 18.9 crores, which has not been utilized till now. Funding for business development and marketing, out of 14.06, 1.6 crore has been utilized, and 12.45 crores has had to be utilized. And then working capital has been utilized, and other general corporate purpose has been again utilized. So out of 93, we receive 81.34 crores after paying all the merchant bankers and all expenses towards the IPO. Out of 81.34 crores, we have utilized 43.69 crores, and 37.65 crores has been there to be utilized, and which will be utilized within the prescribed duration.
Thank you, sir. And the another one is related to capital structure. So we do have a good amount of debt in the balance sheet. So is it going to be low? Can you please put some light on it?
So there is a term loan of around 26 crores and cash credit of 745 and unsecured of 12.70. Yes, sir. By the day by day, or we can say around 26, 27, this amount will be get reduced. Only in this, the new term loan of 23 crores has been added for data center. Right now, for the expansion of business and for better qualification on the one new of 23 crores.
I'm sorry, sir, you're not clearly audible. Can you repeat the last part?
Yes, sir. 23 crores of loan has been added in terms of 30th September 25 for data center expansion in our debt profile.
Okay. So the data center which you mentioned, is it owned by company or like?
Yes, it is owned by the company, sir. Yota. Yes, sir.
Okay. So yep. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Take our next question from Anurag Gupta from Yash Management and Satellite Limited. Please go ahead. Anurag, your line is unmuted. Please go ahead with your question.
Am I audible?
Yes, please go
Yes,
ahead.
yes,
Yes, sir.
Anurag? We are unable to hear you again. Please check if your line is muted.
Am I audible now?
Yes, please go ahead.
Good afternoon, Avinash ji.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon.
Okay. According to me, Virtual Galaxy is the hidden gem.
Thank you, sir.
Looking to the high margin industry, your growth pattern of the industry and your company, your position of the order book, and the management quality and the confidence raised to the your progress of the company, and the business you are looking for, guidance you are giving. Even though after all these things, it is not well known to the investing community. So my suggestion, it is not the question basically, my suggestion is to showcase the company more visible to the investing community.
Definitely, sir. We will, all the participants in this meeting, I would like to invite you to come down to Nagpur to see our facility, meet our team, meet our management, and definitely this will help Anurag, sir.
Thank you. And another question.
Please come down to Nagpur to visit the facility.
Sure. Thank you for your invitation, and I will come sure with my team. And another question is, what plans you have for the AI industry, which is very promising and high potential and high margin area? Can you throw some guideline? Because I find I got somewhere you are very serious about in this area.
Yes, sir. We are very serious about the AI, and we are implementing AI throughout all products, and also developing a new products which based on AI. Like I said, conversational AI and surveillance system, which has been a part and parcel of every industry now. Everywhere these things are required, and we are very aggressive on these technologies, and we are deeply investing money into these technologies, and also our sales team is also working to bring such innovative AI-based orders to bring more AI-based business to the company. Our policy is always AI first. So company is very serious about the AI, implementing AI technologies within all our products to the client, and we are sure that because of this AI, company will jump to next leap into next orbit as well.
So thank you so much, because with this statement, I think you have taken one first step to build up the confidence of the investing community. Let me suggest more visit will come of the investors in your Nagpur facilities, and I will sure come with my term. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Please come round.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, due to paucity of time, we'll take that as last question for today. I would now like to hand the conference over to Mr. Avinash Shende, Promoter, Chairman and Executive Director and CFO, for closing comments. Over to you, sir.
Thank you everyone. Really, all good questions are there. You understand our company. I am also tried myself to give as much as clarity as possible to all our investors and prospective investors. So I thanks all the participants who are here, the team Fortuna and a team from Virtual Galaxy. I really thank every one of you to support us, and this support is definitely going to increase our confidence to do more business for the wealth creation of all the shareholders. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Virtual Galaxy Infotech Limited, that concludes today's session. Thank you for your participation. You may now click on the exit meeting to disconnect. Thank you.
If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Concall India for latest upcoming Concall.